We started this journey with a bunch of people who loved the Power Platform and loved talking about it. We called ourselves the Power Addicts. Individuals with an almost obsessive need and desire to bring positive change, solve problems, and automate processes. But was that the correct definition? We thought, why not just ask the community what Power Addicts meant to them? So we started a challenge on Twitter and asked everyone to share their thoughts. Well, we received a lot of videos from all over the world: Australia, Japan, South Africa, Germany, UK, United States, and so many other countries. There were some funny videos.
Hi there, I'm Jonas Rapp. There's a bug here. I don't know if maybe you can help me find it somewhere here and there. But, no, I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore. I have to can I just work a bit more on my Power App here? I just want to work a little bit more.
And there were some emotional videos.
Willing to share their ideas, their creations, and even their failures with each other.
Some music videos as well.
Power Addict is fun.
Everyone was talking about these 4 common themes. 1. Everyone's free to ask anything.
Everybody in the community puts up with my dumb questions about stuff that I don't know anything about.
For me, it's about having a space where I can be completely myself and just say when I don't know stuff.
2. Passion to learn and teach others.
To me, the Power Addicts is a community of people who are passionate about the Power Platform
and empower people to use the platform.
Also passionate about helping others with the Power Platform.
3. Everyone is welcome.
Whether you are a new person or an existing community member, you are always welcome.
It's amazing how people just stop to help you.
Place that celebrated diversity and inclusion.
4. It's a family.
What does Power Addicts mean to me? It means family. You know, this is more than technology. This is more than friendship. You know, the bonds that I have made and that we have all made, you guys are my family.
These 4 values define what we do. However, there is even a stronger message that connects all of us.
Really what it was about was summed up by that phrase of we rise by uplifting others.
This is why we are proud to call ourselves the Power Addicts. Don't believe me? Well, see it for yourself.
This is Andrew Welch.
My name is Antti Pajunen.
It's Brandon. It's Chris Huntingford.
Daniel Christian.
Nick Hayduk here.
And I'm a Power Addict.
And I am a Power Addict.
And I'm a Power Addict.
And I am a Power Addict.
I'm proud to be a Power Addict.
My name is Vivek, and I'm a Power Addict.
My name is Lindsay, and I'm a Power Addict.
I am Geeta, and I am a Power Addict.
I'm Rick, and I am a Power Addict.
I'm Louisa, and I'm a Power Addict.
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 Power Addict. Power Addict.
We are here, we are there, we are everywhere.
Being a Power Addict is just freaking awesome.